Ever wonder what it takes to open a global business account in today's digital world? You've heard of Airwallex, the fintech giant making waves, but there's this one nagging question that always comes up. Do they require KYC? It's a simple question, but the answer is a little more nuanced than a simple yes or no. The truth is, it's a critical part of the process, and understanding why is key to getting your account up and running smoothly. So, let's dive into the world of Know Your Customer, or KYC, and why it's not just a box to tick, but a fundamental pillar of financial security for both you and Airwallex. In a nutshell, KYC is the process of a business verifying the identity of its clients. Think of it as a digital handshake and an ID check all rolled into one. It's a standard practice across the entire financial industry, from your local bank to major international players. The goal? To prevent financial crime, like money laundering and fraud. It's about ensuring that the person or business on the other side of the transaction is who they say they are. Now, specifically for Airwallex, this isn't just an option, it's a legal and regulatory requirement. They operate globally, and to do so, they have to comply with a patchwork of laws and regulations in every country they serve. This means they must conduct thorough due diligence on every single customer, whether you're a small e-commerce seller or a large multinational corporation. This process isn't meant to be a hurdle, it's a safeguard. It protects your funds, your business, and the integrity of the entire financial system. So what does the KYC process with Airwallex actually look like? It's typically a multi-step process. For individual accounts, you'll likely need to provide some form of government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license, and proof of address. For business accounts, the requirements are a bit more extensive. You'll need to provide details about the company's registration, its directors, shareholders, and often, documentation to verify the business's legal existence and ownership structure. This might sound like a lot, but Airwallex has worked hard to streamline the process. They use technology to make it as quick and painless as possible, often allowing you to upload documents digitally and verify your identity electronically. The better prepared you are with your documents, the faster the process will be. Remember, the more transparent and accurate the information you provide, the smoother your onboarding will be. Ultimately, the answer is a resounding yes, Airwallex does require KYC. But instead of seeing it as a tedious requirement, view it as a necessary step that ensures the safety and security of your finances on a global scale. It's a sign that they're a reputable, compliant, and trustworthy partner for your international business needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.